With the available AutoSense liftgate, you can open your vehicle's liftgate by simply standing behind your vehicle with your key fob in your hand, pocket, or bag. This feature is available on select vehicles. Check with your local dealership to see if your vehicle has this feature. All you have to do is approach the vehicle and stand within 3 feet of the rear of the vehicle for about 3 to 4 seconds. Once you and your key fob are detected, the audible tone and tail lamps will signal about 4 times. And if you and your key fob stay within the zone until the time is complete, the liftgate will open, just like that. Want to cancel the liftgate opening sequence? You can simply step out of the 3-foot authentication zone with your key fob within 3 seconds. Or you can also press the exterior liftgate button or the liftgate button on the key fob to cancel it. To close the liftgate, press the button on the liftgate or the key fob. This feature can also be turned on or off through the center display, or by pressing and holding the exterior liftgate button for 3 seconds until the tail lamps flash. Just go to Settings, tap on Vehicle, select Comfort and Convenience, then tap Hands-Free Exterior Storage Access to change the setting. Remember, your key fob must be within 3 feet of the rear of the vehicle for this feature to work. If the feature is not working, move the fob away from the vehicle for 20 seconds or more, press any button on the fob, and try again. For more information about available AutoSense liftgate, check your owner manual. Now, opening and closing your liftgate is easier than ever.